Welcome to Xeikon. Welcome to our Global Innovation Center in Lier, Belgium, where I proudly present to you our new dry toner press, the CX300. CX300 is our latest generation of dry toner presses built on the basis of earlier platforms, but focusing strongly on improving reliability and print quality. The configuration we're showing you here live in operation is a configuration as it can be used for a typical label printer. It has a large unwinder at the front, and in the middle there's the press, obviously, the new press, and at the end there is an inline varnishing station with connected to it a media supply rewinder. Let me take you through the individual components of the system. The first part I want to show you is the print media supply. A large unwinder capable of handling large rolls up to 1.20 meters and above in diameter, which is 4,000 to 6,000 linear meters. The size of the roll allows you to continuously use the press without interruption and is an integral part in terms of communication and interfacing with the Xeikon CX300. This is the masterpiece. This is our CX300, the latest and greatest in dry toner digital technology. It's designed to last. It's designed for reliability, and it's designed to provide a consistent quality on 1200 dpi dry toner technology, allowing you a high versatility in applications in the label space, going from paper labels up to security labels, micro text, small details. All those things are possible with this 1200 dpi, and this hour after hour after hour. What you can't see but is embedded in this new system is the new man-machine interface. It allows you to see remotely what the situation of this press is. The different lights, the different colors indicate whether the press is in operation, whether it's need maintenance, whether it's in a warning state, so that the operator does not necessarily have to be at his console to observe and operate the press. While the press is running and printing jobs, the operator can easily be used to do other tasks, be it material preparation, document preparation, admin work. He does not need to be at the console. The machine indicates its status visible for everybody. Beyond the top lights on the status indicator of the press, inside here is the level indicators. As soon as a certain color of toner comes to a low level, it gives you a corresponding color light that indicates, dear operator, it is time to go looking for your toner bottles and refill that specific color. So we are proudly to present this new generation of presses, built on past experience, built on past learnings, and we've implemented everything from the past into this new system. A little bit more detail on the inside and how it works with the toner. This is the toner compartment. Here you see the 5 color stations, CMYK plus an additional color to your choice, be it a spot color, be it a technical color, be it a safety color, or even a color to your own desire. If wanted and needed, we can make brand colors specifically to your needs, and they can be used in this press. Allow me a little bit more explanation on the toner system and on the core technology that's sitting in the machine. As all the parts are mounted in the machine, it's rather difficult to show it while the machine is up and running, so I'll show you the different components individually. This is our Cheetah toner, a small-sized particle toner that is now our standard in this machine. It is versatile and it easily adapts through these caps onto the system as soon as the system would indicate that a toner level is going low. It's obviously available, as said, in black in CMYK, and quite a few other specific colors for specific applications. This is what we put on the paper. Another key component that I want to show you is the light source. The light source is an in-house designed, in-house manufactured, in-house created system where 30 years of experience, 30 years of Xeikon experience is sitting in there. Highly reliable, lasts for the lifetime of an equipment, 1200 dpi for the finest of fine details to achieve optimal quality. A third key component is the photo drum. The photo drum is where we write the image. In combination with the light source that I just showed, the light shines on this drum, on this photosensitive drum, charges it, and then on the parts where there's light on it, it will attract the toner particles and then transfer them onto the substrate. The core of this is 30 years of experience, 30 years of development effort and continuous improvement. This is what sits in this machine and that drives the quality, reliability of that CX300. We are showing the CX300 here in combination with an inline connected varnishing station. It could be a water-based varnish, it could be a UV-based varnish, and it could be spot or flood coated. That's to your choice. In this case, we're using it to protect the labels against abrasion or to create a glossy or a specific matte effect. This is just one example of the possibilities. It doesn't have to be in this configuration. The CX300 allows you to be connected with much more inline equipment, going up to a complete finishing line, including die cutting, including slitting, including waste stripping, so that at the end you would have a finished label coming off your system. So this is just one example of our post-printing equipment that we can connect. Last but not least, the media rewinder. In this case, we're showing a small sized rewinder, but it could equally be a large jumbo rewinder. It's just an example of these configurations, and other configurations, again, are possible. In terms of what we're printing on this configuration, it's a food label. Food applications are ideal for dry turner digital printing, as there is no migration and thus makes it fully food compliant and food safe for label applications in a nutritious environment. It's just one example. Another example could be wine labels. Wine labels which are typically printed on structurized paper. Structurized paper, rather hard to print on with ink, but in this case, as the toner does not penetrate or gets absorbed by the media, it gives it its finest detail without blurring and its sharpest effect. That's one example. Another example that I would like to show in terms of digital printing is logistics label. Here we have been printing for a logistics company. Every label is individually created and printed on the spot, showing the full capacity of full variable data, fully digital, where every label is independent to the choice and to the setup of the customers. These are just a few examples of what we can do with dry toners. There's so much more we can do. Microtech, security labeling, all very fine details, very sharp lines, all in 1200 dpi at 30 meters per minute. So much more applications that we could show to you, but it would just simply take us too long. And get in touch with us if you need to have more information. Thank you for your attention.